Good day. Today I want to share with you a short preview video of what are some of the new capabilities that we will deploy with Poolparty for SharePoint. First, a short summary, what has happened till now, until this release. So what we had was our automated tagging, and we could as well synchronize with the theme store tags, okay, manage metadata. So whereas these tags were coming from the Poolparty project, meaning they refer to the URIs of your concepts, these ones are based on the theme store. So there is a mechanism that allows you to synchronize from your Poolparty taxonomy into the theme store, preserving GUIDs and everything that you need. And then once these two taxonomies are synchronized, the automatically applied tags from any of the configurations for auto tagging can be propagated to corresponding managed metadata fields. Okay, so all this was possible on SharePoint Online only. Now, what we have produced with the latest development, latest feature release, is to provide some of these capabilities also via custom connectors in Power Automate. So Microsoft, in case you're not aware, has a product called Power Platform. It's an umbrella that has within it a number of different subproducts, so to say. So it has Power BI to prepare dashboards. It has Power Automate to produce workflows or customize pipelines to automate certain tasks within the Microsoft ecosystem, not only SharePoint, and other things like that. Okay. Now, what I want to talk about is, as I was saying, custom connectors. This is reusable capabilities within Power Automate, so you can invoke the Poolparty capabilities from any custom workflow. This is particularly powerful for IT teams or IT companies that develop projects or work on projects for their customers. Okay, so just to give you an example of what is possible, let me jump here to my teams. So what we have done here is we have created a specific channel, and we have configured flow that says whenever somebody creates a post, and let me actually do it as we speak. This is, or like, let's say, document for review. Please take a look at this one and comment. Okay, so now we attach a file. Let me find it. So let's say that is one of these ones. Okay, so it has to load. There you go. Now I can post it. Okay, so what we are saying with this custom flow is whenever somebody creates a flow here, sorry, a post, and attaches a document, I want that document to be sent for automatic tagging against certain Poolparty project, and I want to display the resulting tags here. Yeah, and there you go. So this is what has happened. So it's telling me, okay, this particular file, and we could open it. We have found that it talks about these topics. Great. So this is one of the things that have been set up here. As you know, Poolparty, because the Poolparty integration works natively on top of SharePoint, and SharePoint is the backbone of things like Teams, it is possible to then display the SharePoint document library that is automatically created when you create a channel. And here you could see how all the documents that we have created, in particular the one that we just dropped in a few seconds ago, has these tags. And again, because these tags are synchronized with the theme store, these are managed metadata. These are native for SharePoint. Or semantic search, because it's a web part, is also easily it can be easily included here. So here we are talking about renewable energies. So carbon, for example, that's the query against the Poolparty thesaurus. You select the one you want. There is some info box here, and then this is restricted to the documents that are in the channel associated document library. Okay. So this is an example of what can be done. Another example could be saying, whenever I receive an email, if that email has an attached file, please analyze the file and store the automatic derived tags into a specific document library or list or whatever. Yeah. So here the sky is the limit and is highly, highly configurable depending on the use case that you may have. All this is beta, right? So this, if you upgrade to the latest version of Poolparty for SharePoint, that is upcoming very, very soon, you will be able to, in a beta mode, start using these custom connectors. Something else that we are also providing as a custom, well, as a beta feature, and this I have to show in a video, is an integration with Copilot. So here, what you can see is a specific, again, it's a demo because this you can configure how you want. So what we are doing here is we are interacting with a Copilot agent. We are asking, okay, we want to do some tagging. Yeah, select the project. We select the project. This is coming from Poolparty, and then we attach a file. You can see how we are using natural language. Once the file is uploaded, what will happen is that using the Poolparty capabilities, we will extract the tags. There you go. Now here we are selecting one of them, Martini, and what we want is to find documents that have been tagged with this particular tag. So here you may select a couple of documents, yeah, and then you will be able to interact with via the LLM, via Copilot with this document. For example, to ask Gen AI questions. Tell me more about this part, the cocktails that are described in these particular documents, or whatever you need to do. So this answer then is going to be, as you can see here, it says that it's coming from the Poolparty tag in Copilot, is AI generated. So there is actually, again, this is a beta integration. This is something that you can configure. And we will be shipping as well these beta components with our latest release, and we will be looking forward to getting feedback from everyone. Thank you very much.